Hello everyone, welcome back to the Outside World Entertainment, and today we are continue our road trip to Queens, Liberty Avenue. We pack our stuff and ready to go, and here is a deer in the backyard of the Airbnb that we stayed last night. Wow, deer meat for dinner. We enter the New Jersey Turnpike here now, and all of a sudden it started raining. But it's still beautiful. And the New Jersey Turnpike will put us to George Washington Bridge. We'll cross that bridge and we'll get into New York City. Next time you go to Guyana, you book a ride from the airport to your hotel.
Them change the call Uber now.
And book a ride.
Book a ride now.
So we left New Jersey this morning. What time we left the hotel? Around 10 o'clock. We went to do some shopping. Now we're heading to New York, and this is the George Washington Bridge. And George Washington Bridge have two levels. You can go lower level or upper level. Now we are going on the upper level. This is the toll booth. Because it's raining, I don't know if you can see the bridge properly.
How much you cross the bridge?
$17. We used to pay $5 or $4 or something like that. Everything is more than double. So this bridge. When we cross this bridge and we go on the other side, that's New York. Does he get the same kind of car like us?
No, he does not.
Same model?
No, he does not.
Same brand? Chevy. You know why they named this bridge George Washington Bridge? After the first president of the United States of America.
All he deserved was a bridge?
So this bridge was built in 1927. That's when the construction started. And it opened in October 1931. The length of this bridge is 4,760 feet long and was named after the first president of the United States of America, George Washington. And it's also connect two states, that's New Jersey and New York. And if you would like to know who was George Washington, his photo is on the $1 bill. crossed the bridge and now we are in New York, the state of New York. Keep on the bridge.
Bronx Express.
This is the tunnel. Where is it? Is that it? You know what? I'm supposed to exit here, but I missed it. It's not a big deal. We'll take the Grand Central Parkway. But because of this, it's gonna cost us a few bucks more because we have to cross the Triborough Bridge.
Harmon River Drive.
So we're gonna cross the Triborough Bridge. Actually, they changed the name to RFK, that's Robert F. Kennedy Bridge. I never knew they changed the name. It was Triborough Bridge. So we'll cross this bridge to get to our destination.
Take exit 17.
Here we go. So we are going to Queens. So on the left you're going to Bronx, and on the right you're going to Queens. So we're crossing another bridge here now. This is the, what bridge is this? Yeah, this is also the Triborough Bridge. RFK Bridge, and this bridge will put us straight into the Grand Central Parkway.
Oh, there's a plane.
And now we approaching the LaGuardia airport. Yeah, you can see the control tower here. Yeah, maybe it will not show. Yeah, it's not showing that too clear because of the rain. Yes, that's the airport right there. So now we will enter the Van Wyck Expressway towards Kennedy Airport. So we will exit out actually, and we'll go and check in our hotel. And that's Linden Place. We'll go exit out at Linden Place. It's raining. It's pouring down very hard now. So it's raining very hard now, and we decide to check in our hotel. And this is the Outside World Entertainment, Ishikar and Davy. If you like our video, please give the thumbs up, share this video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so we can continue tomorrow and show you some more video of New York City. Thank you very much, and you all have a nice day. Bye for now.